This video will help you program your HomeLink Universal Garage Door Opener in your new Dodge Charger. Begin by parking your vehicle outside of your garage. The HomeLink buttons are located above the center console on the roof. There are 3 buttons. To begin the process, we will erase all programming in the device. This can be done by holding down the 2 outside buttons for 20 seconds. The erase is complete when the red indicator flashes. Now we need to identify what type of code system you have, either rolling or non-rolling. If you're not sure, follow the directions for the standard programming to see if it works. A major giveaway will be the Learn button on the back of the overhead opener unit in your garage. If you have this button, your opener uses a rolling code system. To begin the non-rolling or standard programming, begin by parking your vehicle in your driveway, shut it off, and then place it into the run position. Then take your current opener and move it 1 to 3 inches from the HomeLink buttons. Then simultaneously press down the open key on your transmitter and the HomeLink button that you wish to use for the garage door opener. The indicator flash will blink rapidly when the synchronization is complete. Now press and hold the HomeLink button you have programmed. If the indicator light stayed on constantly, then the programming is complete and your garage door should now open. To begin the rolling programming, find the Learn button on the back of the garage door opener motor and press it firmly and release. Then return to your vehicle and place it in the run position. Now press the HomeLink button that you wish to program twice, with each press being roughly 2 seconds long. If the door does not activate, press it a 3rd time to complete it. One thing to note, you must complete the programming within 30 seconds of pushing the Learn button. We would like to remind you again to make sure that the path to your garage door is clear and that you do not operate your vehicle in a confined, closed area. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our service department. We are open 6 days a week for your convenience and can be reached via phone at 602-336-1530. You can also visit us online at www.billuke.com.